Hey Valentine, this is Brandon. Just sending over that free video I talked to you about the other day on the phone. Um, just want to go over three things today that will hopefully, help your business, bring your website some more relevancy, bring more customers in the door so you can make some more money. You're probably wondering why I do these videos for free. The reason is I know you business owners and guys that are hands-on really don't have time to deal with this kind of stuff. So these free tips and tricks, if you can apply them and find the time to do them, they're going to help you. But if you don't have the time or the know-how, then at least maybe you can reach back out and say, hey, that Brandon guy kind of knows what he's talking about. I think he could help me. That's why I do this stuff. So hopefully you can either use it on your own, um, or come back to me and we can get hopefully some more clients in the door for you. The three things I want to go over, Valentine, are uh, website content and keywords. Second thing is citations, and the last thing is backlinking. So if I look at your website here, as far as content and keywords, Google has a lot of algorithms as to why they place people where they do in the Google search when your business comes up. The one thing they like to look at is content being at least 1,500 words on your web page here. So as you can see, you got some gaps to fill as far as getting to that 1,500, and then inside those 1,500 keywords or content, we want some keywords that are going to be relevant to what your customers are searching for. So we want to make sure we have in there like Green Bay Auto Repair, Green Bay, and then whatever your specialty niche is or whatever brings you the biggest return on an investment. So if you're focusing on transmissions, we want to have Green Bay transmission in there, or, things like that. So when people type in the search that they're looking for in your area, your website business pops up with the most relevancy. So we can certainly do some work on the front web page here and get you to where you need to be. Um, the second thing we want to do is if we look at this when we type in auto repair Green Bay, we would like to see you pop up in this map pack here. Um, and the way you get on that map pack is with citations. And citations, simply put, are anywhere your website listed exactly how you have your business listed: name of business, phone number, address, uh, website address, all that information um, correctly put anywhere out there, whether it be on Yelp or Angie's List or Yellow Pages. Anything out there will count as a citation. So we want to get as many of those out there as possible. So when Google, sees that website or sees that address or sees your business name, then they end up putting you on this map pack here and they put you on the top. And that also has a lot to do with your keywords and your content and your backlinking. So it all kind of goes together, but we want to make sure we go after those citations as well. And then the last thing, Valentine, to really get you some relevancy, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in there, you can see Ahrefs here. What it does, it's about a $500 a month tool we use. It shows you how many backlinks and referring domains you have. And if you take these two numbers, slide them over to here, this is Google's basically their power system. And this is a 1 through 100 scale. Based on your backlinks and your referring domains, they give those powers. And you can see here you got 18 backlinks, 14 referring domains. So simply put, a backlink is anywhere that if a different website has a link on it and somebody clicks on it, it would refer them back to your website. And then vice versa. If you have links on your website that if people click on it, it will revert them back to their website. So you want to have links on yours and you want to have links on other people's websites and you want them to be relevant within your industry. So if you have a backlink on Taco Bell's website, that's really not going to give you any power over here because Google's going to say, what the heck does, Valentine's Auto Repair have to do with Taco Bell? It has nothing to do with it. So therefore it's kind of spammy. Yeah, they got a backlink, but it really holds no value. So you want to have backlinks on other automotive repair companies, tire manufacturers, motor manufacturers, things like that. That's going to give you the most relevancy and power over in this area here. So once again, we go to keywords. We want to make sure our keywords hold some power there as well. Green Bay Auto Repair, things like that. And you can see based on what you got going on, you got about 3 people a month visiting your website. So the website right now is really not doing you a whole heck of a lot of favors. So we want to make sure we can get this organic traffic up so we can produce more clients and get more people in the door. If we take a look at some of your competition, Auto Repair in Green Bay, this Mike Service in Green Bay, and where I got him from, Valentine, is I just typed in, like I said, Auto Repair Green Bay. And other than these Yelp and Auto Aces Online, which are all over the state, this Mike's Service Repair, he's on page one of Google when you type that in. And so him and Arab Syria, you'll see that he's got over 4,000 backlinks. And this right here is telling me that those backlinks don't hold a lot of power. Probably a lot of spammy backlinks in there, but he's got, quite a few compared to the 24 that you had. And he's got 251 referring domains. His organic keywords, 111 keywords that he's bringing traffic in for. And that traffic here, you can see what being on page one of Google does for him. He's bringing in 387 people a month to his website. So you take 387 to your three. Now that's a lot of business you're missing out on. So hopefully, Valentine, these tips and tricks helped you out a little bit. These are things you can do on your own. If you find that you don't have the time, the know-how, or the want to, certainly reach back out to me. I'd love to see if I can do anything for you and help you out, get you to where you want to be. So I'll shoot this over in an email. Please respond, whether good, bad, or otherwise. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings. I just want to know that you got this, and that hopefully this brought you some value. Thank you, sir. Have a good rest of the day.